Hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to link your account or deposit money on Prizepicks. So there are plenty of methods, so let's start. So first we have Visa or Discover credit or debit cards. So if you have a Visa or Discover credit or debit card, this is the easiest way to deposit. Click the Visa or Discover tab on the Prizepicks deposit page and then enter your Visa or Discover card info and complete your deposit. And quick reminder, if you only use MasterCard or American Express, you will have to deposit via PayPal by following the instructions below. So first we have Instant Bank Transfer. So Instant Bank Transfer is a quick, easy, and secure way to connect your bank account directly to Prizepicks. So first, what you want to do is input your deposit amount and then click Instant Bank Transfer, and then it will take you to a new secure window. Next, select your bank and then type in your online banking username and password. It will be kept 100% secure and private by AeroPay, a third-party verification platform. Next, select the bank account you'd like to connect to Prizepicks and then verify all the information if it's correct and then click Confirm Deposit. Next, existing PayPal balance. So if you already have funds on your PayPal account balance, you can deposit instantly with those funds. So first, navigate to the Prizepicks deposit page and click on the PayPal tab. Deposit your selected amount using your PayPal account balance and then you are done. And then next, bank account through PayPal. So first, open PayPal in a separate tab. This will not work in the PayPal portal on Prizepicks. Next, if you don't have a PayPal account, you can create one free. If you have one, just log in. So once you're logged in, click on Wallet and then click on Link a Bank Account and then select your bank account. If you see an option to instantly link your account, click it. If not, follow the instructions on PayPal to manually link your account. Then number 7, navigate to the Prizepicks deposit page and click the PayPal portal. Complete your deposit with your PayPal balance and then start playing. Next is bank account through PayPal again but in mobile. So first, download and open the PayPal mobile app. This will not work in the PayPal portal on Prizepicks. Next, if you don't have a PayPal account, you can create one for free, and then if you have, just log in. Then once you're logged in, tap on Wallet, tap on Banks, and then log in your online banking or fill in your bank account info manually. Follow any remaining instructions to complete the process. And then next, navigate back to the Prizepicks deposit page and click the PayPal portal and then complete your deposit with your PayPal balance and start playing. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to link your bank account into Prizepicks or deposit money on Prizepicks. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.